everyone is having a great weekend, and I just wanted to make two videos for you guys. Um, I know that some people are not getting notifications that they want to be getting. Facebook has changed a ton of things this year already. So I just want to make sure that everyone knows how to go in, let's say, a group and change the notifications to your preference, not to what Facebook chose for you. So I'm going to go to my VIP group and I am going to show you how to get into those notifications. So you go into the group that you want and you go into more, those three dots, view group info. Then you do edit notification settings. So here on top, you have four options. You can choose to see all posts in your newsfeed, or you can choose to see just the highlights. The highlights are what Facebook chooses for you. So suggested posts and friends posts. So you won't see everything. You may see one a day, you may see 3 or 4 a day. It just depends on Facebook. And then the third one is your friends posts only. And the fourth is turn the notifications off if you prefer not to see any posts, and just click there and it will turn them off for you. This middle section, the push notifications, if you choose to turn the notifications off on top, it'll automatically turn them off in the middle here for you. So that's how you do it in the Facebook app, and that goes for iPad, iPhone, Android, any device that you have Facebook app on. Hey everyone, welcome to part 2 of notifications for groups. So this one is super easy, you guys. It's very simple, way less steps than in the app. So here under the cover photo, you click on the notifications tab and it's got a little check mark there. Oop. Click on that and you have the same 4 options that you have in the app. You can either see all of the posts in the group, highlights, friends posts, or you can turn them off if you prefer. Hey guys, I hope you guys are having a really good day today. I hope that you like the mini tutorial that I made, and if you did, give it a thumbs up and hit that little subscribe button below so you don't miss any other videos that I make, okay? If you have any questions about the video, let me know in the comments below. And then also I'd love to hear if you guys have any kind of suggestions about the tutorials or any other videos that you want me to make. So I hope to hear from you guys, and we will talk to you soon, okay?